afternoon, guys. Welcome to our daily update on the coronavirus at the end of what has been a truly exceptional week across the headlines worldwide and on the markets as well. The direct effects are very clear to see based on these fears of a global pandemic, and things are really escalating very, very quickly. I've got European stocks up behind me on the daily chart, and you can see this massive drop. Down about 3% in total this week alone. We're entering correction territory across the European stocks, across European indices, meaning they're down more or less 10%. So this has been a really exceptional week. It's looking like the biggest drop in shares across the world since 2008. The FTSE 100 hit its lowest point today since December 2008. Hit its lowest rate since 2016 as well today. Bank of England Governor has also admitted that the UK economic growth could be hit. This comes after yesterday was another extremely volatile day. Lots of drop-off in US equities as well. Let's have a quick look at the Dow Jones. Yesterday recorded its biggest one-day drop-off, around 1,200 points. So that's the biggest one-day drop ever seen on the Dow. So you can see this huge drop, all based on headlines around coronavirus. We had that first confirmed case in the USA, supposedly due to community spread, meaning they didn't know how he got it, he hadn't been anywhere. It must have just been passed on by someone else, making it much harder to track. Yesterday's big drop came immediately after headlines that California government are actually monitoring around 8,400 people. So they'll be testing and monitoring. We can expect much more news coming out of the US. The World Health Organization today confirmed that they believe very soon every country will have confirmed cases. Here in the UK we've got 19 confirmed cases, but there's more popping up everywhere every day, so we can really expect things to escalate further. Switzerland has just issued a ban on gatherings of more than 1,000 people. The Geneva Motor Show has been postponed until September. Over in Japan, they've had to close Tokyo Disneyland, as well as schools closing across the country, schools closing around the world. We can expect offices to start doing the same. Germany, we've got about 1,000 people in quarantine, so the headlines just keep popping up and the effects are clear to see. If we go back to the Dow Jones, we're expecting another drop today. According to futures, it's looking like it's going to open around 400 points down. S&P and Nasdaq have been following suit as well, looking towards a lower open, but we'll be back with another video just after the US Open so we can look more closely at that together. But yes, we'll be back next week with daily updates on the coronavirus, since this is really hitting the markets hard, hitting everyone across the world pretty hard as well. So stay tuned, we'll bring everything to you, keep you up to date, and we can all stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend.